All right, guys. So right now, so we have Dutty Berry, right? We have Julie Mango. Julie said that when we send you Negus thing yesterday. You see him? You remember who you see who Negus was now?
Yes.
You see him now because guess what, guys? If you're here, you have a next street because not only me have Dutty Berry and Julie Mango, me have Negus in the place. Negus, take your seat, brother. All right. Yes. Yo, me have to say this one. Well, watch this now. I'm going to big up myself because I have to big up myself. Except Raúl Blaze, I have Dutty Berry, Julie Mango, and Negus. Don't clap me, no man. Clap me, man. Clap me. Put on your mic, Negus. Put on your mic.
Yes, we're in the place.
Yes. So,
greetings.
So, Negus, you have behind you. You can see them up there?
Yes, greetings. I know Dutty Berry, and I've been seeing this young lady that says she all foot, she blow up TikTok, you know? Big up yourself, Julie Mango.
Oh my, you get a brownie point for calling me young. Oh my God.
Yeah, I know you talk about all foot. Yes. I might hide them now work or something.
No, man,
Raúl, where you get him from? Me like him, bring him back on every time.
Hey, no, this is actually my return.
Yes, he was here yesterday. As a matter of fact, I told Julie you were here yesterday, and I told her you were gonna come back today. So and but when Julie told me her age, you know, me actually surprised because I thought you were in like your 20s and so, don't it?
You're Raúl, man.
No, man. With the content she create, right?
Yeah, no, the content she create make she in up there, but her face look like
she look young. Yes.
Yeah, she look young in her face. I think. Berry, you're back there.
Yeah, I have Jamaican Wi-Fi issues.
Julie said they cut off your light. That's why they go. So
don't do that. If I want thing.
Julie Mango said this is the exact word. Upon big Dutty Berry. Make JPS light by interview. Because anybody hear that to know you should say it, don't it?
My light gone already, and you know the first instinct is that I forget some pay. In my mind, I feel like I never pay the bill. So like when you go outside, you try to see if your next door neighbor have now. You know, I don't know one of the time they never hear nothing. Some feel some go over me like, oh, like Ghana here, yeah, because when I have none. The lady was just like, no, I have like a man. I was like, oh, maybe we need for refreshment. The way you call it, the sitting there. I was so embarrassed. The woman look up on me now. She's like, oh my God, I never pay a light bill. But I think someone could have bond together so we never have lights.
Yes.
No, Raúl, I have a question for Dutty. Refresh your what? Your modem?
I can't remember that thing.
The breaker?
Not breaker. Not break front. Breaker.
So, breaker can refresh?
I
refresh and call it.
I said to I flip it.
Because I'm young, flip it. Me don't know, flip it breaker. Julie, when Julie asks me, you refresh your breaker. I mean, say flip it breaker. But them say that very young, I'm young, am I young is not them.
No, but listen, when we say refresh, don't understand what we did I describe.
Yeah, we know what they say. We know what they say.
You never understand.
No. All right, go. So guys, I have a question for 3 hours and then because I'm telling you I have a question, right? So I never turn on the camp prepare me say Jamaican old time Christmas. No, Jamaican have, right? And me know say niggas might not gonna know nothing but Jamaican have a tradition we call John Kuno, right? I'm gonna start with the lady first. I'm gonna go on each one to give me one John Kuno character.
Me first.
Julie. Mr. Julie, you two teeth.
Only one more.
Julie, what you say?
Devil head.
All right, Berry, you go.
Is it the belly woman or the pregnant woman?
Belly woman, Negus.
Negus, I will pass this question to Julie Mango again.
I'm going to character them, you know.
You have what you say you have devil head, right? Patchy.
You have one where stand up on it tall, something them look like when the Trinidadian carnival. Masquerade.
Oh no, man, I can't about that.
You have the horse head.
Oh yeah. So you have ass head, you have devil head, you have policeman, you have you have mother woman, and you have. So anyone ever experienced? You have Negus ever experienced John Coney? No, but by the time you.
You You know the John Connor redeem though, Negus. We know the John Connor redeem was.
We know that. Yeah, we know that. No, man. Hey, ladies. Let me see you and them in the air. That's a John Connor. Anything I do with John Connor, that's the only thing me know about John Connor.
So you get that point. That count. That count. Oh God, refresh
the breaker. Yo, that's a good one.
Refresh the breaker.
What's the refresh the breaker?
No, you have to put that on Twitter tomorrow. It
yeah, use that. You like that. Refresh the breaker. Refresh the breaker.
Refresh the breaker.
Dutty Berry not used to the breaker like how me not used to John Connor.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. The next question is. When you make a Christmas cake, right? How much rum must go in a Christmas cake?
One whole buckle.
Yeah. One whole buckle. Julie, what you say?
After the cake baked, then you soak it in rum. One whole buckle.
What you say?
I'll say the same thing as Julie.
Okay, this one on the right or wrong. I just may ask. Okay, so Dutty Berry, when you put the entire buckle in it, you mean after or before? You put it after. You put why you make it out?
Hold on, but I watched Auntie Dana live the other day.
You know, Auntie Dana. Auntie Dana. Oh, you watch it.
She throw in some.
She throwing some red label wine tonight.
That's red label.
Oh. Afterwards.
You know, so them kids are not pay attention to them parents in their kitchen.
But bury the pan them own for a long while no. Bury the pan. Bury say I go for my mother tomorrow go get some Christmas. I have
two something like Christmas cake, but I don't want to eat it one time.
Wait there.
In the container over there, so.
Go find cake and show me.
And then refresh the break at the same time.
Julie Mango!
Thinking that a cake Shakira come give me, but I can't eat them all because you know that once you cut it, you know, I eat that.
Yeah, that's it.
It done.
Once you make the first slice,
I eat
that side in freedom.
So hey guys, and wanna say pan sorry guys, me not ignoring you. Yes. Yeah. So what was I gonna say about the cake? Yeah, big up Chalet is the light because she was the guest out the other day who talked about Christmas cake. So no, I know say Negus, you live in Atlanta, right?
Yes.
What are your Christmas plans gonna be? You're gonna be in Florida for Christmas?
Yes, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna surprise my mom because she's here.
She don't know say they here?
No.
Which I make them? No, Negus mic, it's on. His mic is on. Yes. So your mom no said even though but you never post a picture and thing. Say
no.
Oh,
yeah, okay. I'm here low key.
Okay. Yes.
Someone else show up on the door.
Yes, at the second interview, this no man. That's it's surprised how things you can hide from your parents these days. You understand? Because
she don't even have Facebook. She don't have nothing. WhatsApp alone she have. If you know somebody say it's some kind of interview and tell her if she know. Hopefully she don't know.
She have that friend. No, I'm call her.
Wow, you're informer.
Yeah, is she informer?
If your mother have a friend, tell her everything.
But is she an informer or is she a refresher?
Yeah, well, I want to tell her. Hey, Dr. Berry, new name, a refresher.
Yeah.
Refresher.
You're a refresher. What? No, man, a Christmas curtain.
Sorry, I mix up. Put up a little Christmas.
Kitchen curtain.
Oh, a long time Christmas. Something that you know?
Yeah.
Berry, what are you in your kitchen? Where did I go?
A curtain that has something you cover food. A food that cover
embroidery.
No. You see,
we have to keep the traditions alive, okay?
Me know. So after I cook the food, you use that for refreshing. I'm done.
Dutty Berry the refresher.
So Berry, you say you wash that. Berry, you say you do washing today?
Oh,
Okay.
the breaker at work. Okay, cool.
You know, so me now, but listen to me. Don't leave him on the breaker now because I break off your work because I see a machine you use. So
Yeah, use the machine.
just make sure you close them smell refreshing.
That naga left you dirty.
Okay. This is not a Dutty berry roast. Let's stop it now, man. We're done now. Julie, you started. Just stop it foolishness now, Julie.
You could handle a roast though.
Sorry
Eh?
about that.
All I want to think you could handle a roast.
Well, me nobody roast me. That's why me a tap. Me don't know. Me never join. Me join off. Me join
Yeah,
off.
man. Yeah, man. Me can't manage one, man. My nickname in high school was Dumbo.
Yeah, me can't get roast.
I feel like I'll be the person where you say yeah, but then when I hear time for roast, it'll be.
But you know what? Me can't take a roast.
I might cry.
Would that be like wouldn't be like a yam? Would that be like a brush? Me can't take a brush roast, but not like one roast yam. Me can't do the yam.
Yeah.
If a yellow yam roast, me can't take a nice brush, but when it get to me say, you know, I'm not pay me done me jana, me cream.
So cry will hurt me feelings.
All who feel and not get no butt, go hide themselves in a peanut trash. Yes.
The one that's the one there before my time.
No. You know that?
What's that?
All who feel and not get no butt, go hide themselves in a peanut trash.
That sounds like something before my generation.
Very, Julie,
The people them
Julie don't know that. Julie don't know that.
Julie don't know that.
Okay, Mr. Straight thinks me and Dutty Berry behind the times, you know, but I don't me and Dutty Berry alone.
Wait. Guys, if you're on here, if you depend on YouTube or whatever, all who feel and no get no butt, go hide themselves in a peanut trash. That cause no fight.
Yeah.
Because I like when you play a game and then somebody just done for no reason at all.
Yeah.
And when then done, to add to that, they say that to you. So your emotions, and after them done the game, them say all who feel. So you want to fight.
Yeah.
So that one line they cast no fight. No, sir.
Okay, let me ask a question real quick. Dutty Berry, where did you go to school? In Kingston?
Yeah.
In Kingston.
Julie, where did you go to school? In Kingston?
Country.
Manchester. Come on.
Oh,
Kingston.
Manchester. Okay. What parish did you go to school in?
Clarendon.
Okay.
Is that Clarendon?
Julie, you should have known, Julie.
Yeah.
Town and country bunk, and the town should have known.
These are the first thing me and Julie don't share.
Remember, say me never did play no baseball or anything there. No.
Oh, you never play baseball with backstring
No, it's netball I used to play.
You never play
Netball. Remember netball?
Yeah.
Get it center, Julie.
Yeah. Huh?
You are center.
Yes.
Yeah, because centers are, yes, I know where she's a center.
The petite one, I mean.
The petite ones, you know. After their ream bat and after their team bat and your team
turn and them say them.
And they say yes, them don't play. Whenever you want done play them, so that song there.
Wow.
Okay.
Yo, one thing I admire with you, bro, is like you still hold on to you still hold on to your Jamaican culture. I mean, I don't remember. The thing about it is that I don't remember a lot of stuff, bro. But you, I gotta give it to you, bro. I gotta give it to you, bro.
Well, I'm punning like from
Roll them, Raúl.
Yes.
I told him as a matter of fact, is it told him?
Because I'm the type of person, right? Me have to hold on punning because me know nobody for refresh my memory.
Dandy Shande, Lisa, Amor, Dandy Shande is an elite game.
Yeah, you know what, guys? You know, say actually, not say no because I actually plan next year to have like a Dandy Shande tournament in club.
Yo, you joking?
Yes, I get like a music and stuff to play.
Yo,
teams are 5. So make them know that'll be big. I mean, I say no, we're not TV. So I'm gonna have a Dandy Shande tournament here in Florida, yeah. And then you have a team, I'm just up in a team, and we have a final and things. So
yeah,
there'll be a full day music and
you're gonna need a cheerleading squad. Me is a cheerleader.
Well, make sure I am 32.
Do it. That you must do TikTok people are one special one. TikTok versus Instagram people or something.
Oh, Dandy Shande and Chinese skip. Chinese skip.
Yo,
my for them ever be me I was a slider. My for them can't keep it down. My for them ever slider.
Over tips, you know. Some girl have malice over tips is out and what was not. Oh gosh.
No, tips cause fight because it tips me. No, not tips me. It tips me. No, not tips me. Tips cause fight. Cashapp is that everybody know Cashapp is that and tips is out, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's that one thing everybody know. But that's a tone thing, do you know?
Them know because Spice says so in our song. Then where?
No, me know say me I play Danny Shandy with the girl and we used to go primary school. We used to play Danny Shandy. Only for Danny Shandy. Every lunchtime after school. All more time all when school before school start. You sweat you're going to school in a class. Early morning you're wet.
Yes. Me in primary was a shift school. I know we go shift school. I go shift school. So we reach early. Listen, man, we reach early. Sweat and soaking, man, in the class. Soak. Yeah, man. Oh my God. Eh? What?
No.
Okay. No. I have a next question about Grand Market. What is Grand Market you guys have ever been to? If you don't know what Grand Market is. Negus, you know what Grand Market is?
Yeah, I got Grand Market at St. Anne already.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. But the young still, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, that's my only one. That's my only one.
Okay.
My best Grand Market. When me and my friend DJ did a walk a road in a Mandeville, I go up Mandeville and we see one man on one bike. We asked him if we can ride on the bike back, and the man said, "Yeah, and we ride on the bike back."
Driving going to Mandeville Town or out?
Going to Mandeville Town, go around the bus park and come back around the big circle in the park there.
Only know the man?
No.
back in those days in Manchester and Clarendon, that's a regular thing for a random ride. But
it's way safer than
nowadays. Oh my God, man.
Go on the bike.
That was the only Grand Market. Mommy never come with me that day.
Okay. Hey. Oh God. What about you? Can you live right now? Make like Grand Market, you know? You live right after
No, I always grew up on Boulevard, so I the Grand Market thing. The only thing you know them. You know when you used to look around and see some little pitney at 9-year-old I walk Grand Market by themselves.
Yes.
Yeah, up to 17, 18. My mother, no, you have to come because the thief them is around. You have to hit them. So then you see a person I walk past, you know, and me and my mother, come back.
Yes.
I walk in and my mommy, yes, man. And then mama said, but mommy, look on them out the 14-year-old. For them parents don't care about them.
Bro.
And then you know the worst thing? When you go buy the clothes, you make the mistake, you see if you look at money on your own, go buy the clothes. From Grand Market. And you say when Boxing Day box you, you want y'all to walk in, I got Devon house and 5 man on the way in the same shirt, same pants.
Yes.
The blue pants where the end of the blue pants to bleach out. Remember the style where the bleach out, and then they have one shirt something up here so like plaid, and then down here so that be like the material here, like the style.
Yes.
Buy the shirt, and I walk from Boxing Day because I go buy things from Grand Market night. About 10 people, kid you not, 10 people on the same side of the road, same exact shirt.
Yes, because back in the day, so remember when back in the day things, something usually, even though they go on the same way, something this are weird for Christmas, and this are weird for summer.
Yeah.
So almost our nights because they are weird.
Yeah, actually, no.
And this are weird. And this are weird. You know, going again more diverse social media. But I remember one
people are buying a machine. People are buying things online. You know what my man buy? You remember the one where you have a clench, you have a full orange suit and the shocking color green and you know the clench.
Shocking color, hey, when shocking color did I wear, you know, man?
Me the one bad, but man, I never buy it because I never get it.
When shocking color there, everybody look like a caution sign.
Oh my God. So, niggas, what your mother say when she see you? What the expression?
What make you never call me? That's what she can say. What make you never call me? Like, me can't surprise you.
Oh, okay.
That's what I say, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
My mother says same thing.
What make you never call me? It's a surprise for a specific. It's a surprise. I mean,
I'm never dancing Negus.
Yeah, I can't see me there one day. I never want to load it.
So, you have seen him from before?
I told me not important. That's why.
Oh, you just stopped seeing him. Why? You just stopped seeing him.
Just stop seeing him.
You don't come back up now. It's an ad. It's an ad. Him soon come back up on it.
Just stop seeing him.
I rate me a Jolie.
Me understand. I saw Raúl. I saw Raúl.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No man. You know now? See now?
I can't come to Florida. Come looking kind of want me bed in a bathroom.
Jesus. I tell this lady that I have an extra room.
Raúl say, you know what? My soaps come touch the nice sink them. That is to me.
Oh, it's like weird bad soap.
Yes.
I don't blame him.
Yeah, me have my carbolic and my carbolic and
you have to use sour gel.
Me have Lux and carbolic me have and this me have no.
Hey, one thing you know.
Because I don't use bot gel, I can bear that for you.
You gotta use bot gel because when you use the soap, it catch up and it tick up your eczema. Only for gunk and them something there.
The bot gel takes from your body.
All of them as one.
Listen, woman.
Come on now. We stop use bar soap till it look like same car. They understand? We stop use it. We're in America.
For real, shower gel.
It's shower gel. You understand?
It takes too long to come off your skin, man. It takes too long to come off your
No,
skin.
exactly. Tell them for me, the berry.
Yeah. What is it? Just feel slimy and icky like.
The shower gel.
It depends on which one they use. Because some of them are made to give you the after effects of like a moisture, isn't it? So as much as you try wash it off, it make it feel slimy, yeah, for real. That's why I want to use specific one, like when I really left the like a slime thing that I isn't it? Yeah, I like that need about. You see one thing we made it carbolic. Yeah. Whenever I bury carbolic, I feel light.
Yes, that
you lose weight down.
What?
Everything.
When you wear the carbolic,
I breeze up, blow your face.
Oh my God.
Cool.
Yes.
Cool.
It's like you hear it all coming back to me by Celine Dion, you know?
Yeah.
For real. Wow, that's great.
We just tell us something a while ago, we just struck my mouth. Come here, say you feel refreshed. Come just lift it right now.
Yes. I feel refreshed and renewed.
Yeah.
Oh. you know, say like sometimes like I went to country recently, about 3 years ago, but I grew up is when water gone. If no water there, I never got river go bathe. So Julie, ever got river go bathe yet?
Well, canal.
Canal. Oh yeah, because you come from South Manchester?
So I remember we come from two parish. We come from Clarendon and Manchester.
Okay. So
the canal Daddy have the farm that Daddy have the canal run through the farm. So we have access
to that.
Clarendon.
Mason River there, Manchester.
So we used to bathe in the canal sometime, but just for fun, no when water gone.
That's not veer, don't
and then when water go away at Manchester now, we use a tank.
Yes. Niggas, you know about tank and canal.
Let me tell you something. If water gone in my yard, I not bathe until it come back. I not have no river for go bathe. None of that. When you water gone, you do.
No.
So Dutty, you just come out with your one cakes and not even say.
Interrupt.
Anyway, something. You know what I would love? I would love and Negus mentioned something like that, like if a couple with the pan one show together. That'd be crazy. Can you imagine a show with multiple Jamaican personalities on the stage? A matter of fact, we wouldn't have to act. Would have to act. I know, just be yourself. Just
be yourself.
Just exist.
Where's the script?
The drama.
What script?
What script you talking?
Real.
Just go out there and deep.
Yeah.
Just go out there
and drama.
But seriously though, if 1 year, if Florida or Jamaica, so I love to have like apart from the Dandishan thing here, I feel like a cookout, you know, got a river, got cook, got run boat a riverside. You understand?
Raúl.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one thing. We're in the industry, but when I really get the co-worker experience there, often, you know, like people just look at other people in your space, but you don't really get the thing to say, oh, you know. A Christmas function, the one way I link up or the one
you know, that's true. We're in our industry, but we have a co-worker experience. Really, I was saying,
yeah. Well, elect Mary as HR manager for the industry.
So yeah, he's HR manager for real. And Negus is entertainment coordinator. Julie, you look like
we're supposed to have one content creator collective. You know, like if the woman
for real, like an association.
If the woman them a back road can have them association and president. You get me?
Of course.
And them can champion for the rights. We're supposed to come together and lobby for like customs, give it like pass to send down a ring light and them look something there.
A fact. Yes. And create a little package, one package, and we want to entertainment, or entertainment combo and thing. You know?
Crazy sexy cool me, so she should be in a river in a shirt after hurricane.
which hurricane that she said? Yeah, 32. So which hurricane?
I must see Ivan.
I must Ivan kind of get she name.
And then Nisha, tell me something. Warm bit in the
underwear as the rug.
Yes.
Yeah, after. Warm bit in the river, Misha. You know, say one time though, when me that come down from Alpha Blue Mountain, me afraid that worm, you know. Come down from Alpha Blue Mountain and one guy lie down in the river nice when he gets up, 100 worm the pan him back.
Worm?
Yes.
Worm in the river. Well,
because the bottom side of one hog pen.
Damn. Wow. Bottom side of one hog pen. Why would I eat him cake? No, why man in Christmas cake you talk about worm in the bottom side? Oh God. So the thing is when you go river, for decide for jumping in the water is a different thing because when I say cold in the man.
Hey, I love
the water. Yeah, man.
You have to jump in, and when you're going, you have to decide I'm gonna make this decision right now. For now, I have to jump in and stay. You know,
the message I come to comment.
Is there a cheat
boss? We're hearing you.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Boss man.
Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties.
I'm a boss. You know, we shall listen. We shall listen. We
shall just listen and say nothing. And just hear the whole line business.
I get some tea and go and drink some tea. Oh God, man. Oh, that. So what you?
Hold on, give me 1 minute there. Come in, I have no bottoms.
Okay, me know. Me know, boy, I go on. Me did further worm and till me come foreign and start the gardening. Okay, Ami. Big up yourself, Ami. Let me just big up Olivia, big up Kim. I saw we talk in the hills of Clarendon. Okay, from yourself from a while back. For my family did say me catch the accident. That are from the accent part of the conversation. And people oh God, big up on yourself. Instagram, big up on yourself. I'm a tough guy. Let me tell you if you call. Yo, if you're here, guys, imagine you have four different influencers or social media personalities to talk to. Call in, man. You know, call. Imagine, I don't know when you guys will have this opportunity at once. Somebody called earlier on, but before you guys were here. So the numbers to call are 954 if you're in America, 954-289-8589. 954-289-8589, extension 203, and the other number is 754-200-5085, 754-200-5085, and the extension is 203. And if you guys are in a yard and I found out there, I'm seeing you big up on yourself yard, you know, the yard and abroad, yeah? +1 for the WhatsApp, +1 954-621-3660, +1 954-621-3660. Calling right now, because you know, calling before Negus, I'll give you a little track, you know. I'll give you a freestyle and give you a, you know. Julie, I'm have to come in like an old woman, like I'm have to so nice seat. So,
that's not church. I go back front seat.
Yes. So Negus,
yeah.
We're gonna ask you. You can we put them on the spot already, you know. So we're gonna ask you, Negus. One of your we talked about yesterday, but one of your favorite interpretations, more say. Impersonation. Yes, the word. You know the word. You do three well. You do everything you do well. But which one are your favorite one to do? Your favorite one.
Because I love to give trouble. Yes. I love to do elephant man voice. You see me? Stither, sun a shiner, rain a jizzle, shelbo, welbo, leg off of my elbow, shizzle my bliver, look what they done to Dunn's River. They don't want no war with we. Mess with my crew, you go down 6 foot deep. They just want a war with we.
Hey. Yo, remember the first time here, Negus, me have to say, hold on. It's a voice over him I use our yard do it. You understand?
Oh, that good.
So yeah, man, just so big up Ellie.
Big up Ellie.
Can Barry, can you do any impersonation of anybody?
No. Like I do, but like no. It's like unless I'm deciding to just go do it my buck-ups. I've tried Andrew Holness at some point in time, that impression.
Okay.
But like becoming of them enough, like I don't remember.
Yes.
Just speaking of and stuff. And I've done a Lisa Hanna.
Okay. What more?
Dutty Berry is a dancer.
Yes, I'm a dancer.
Dutty Berry a dancer.
Yo, we see him dance, no man. Listen, no man. Let me tell you, no man. So when I remember the first time I saw Dutty Berry skit them long time. I got say which one Dutty Berry, but up on campus, right? You know, like I've been a fan of yours from then. And then when you remerge with the Y Tessan Chan, when Tessan Chin the Afi win the voice. I was in Japan during that time, and in the Jamaicans Japan circle that video growing like 50,000 times.
Crazy, yeah.
And so when did you decide, Barry, that you're gonna do less acting per se and more of social media commentary? What
you know what's so funny? You see, as you start for grow, it's like you have different cells, and it's like there is some content when we just start YouTube that we do it and somebody so eager. I'm gonna look on it. No, I would never do that. No, you know.
You cringe, right?
Yes.
You cringe when you watch your stuff.
Mrs. I did a video Raúl talk where I do one video because it was about Rosie 30 grand. I'm gonna do one video because everybody I do. And them time they know when top there you have Travis, you have with the two you them a friend name, the two brown one them look like them a man.
Oh, the Chaddy.
The boys.
Yes.
I'm giving too crazy. And if you have something drop, you better put out your content first, you know, not care if it good or bad, you know. So when the 30 grand video start to go viral, Mr. Travis will drop theme on. When me just try to put my script together, I'm gonna see him drop me and say, shoot, I can't do that again because people are gonna say me and follow him. So I'm doing different content, go for UE and say, let me just make it look like say me have a be Rosie and our Pitney get like she for defend the grade, the extra, you know, cost of lecturer. So I do one video like that and I was 30 grand Rosie. I would never do that no.
That's what the thing is, and I can't see you doing that video today. No, I can't see you doing that video today. You're a different person.
Time, when you just eager for just you just I tried them tell me message. I tell fancy get and I put my link underneath. I saw them post one video on them Facebook fan page. See me here.
Yes.
Oh, check out my video, please. Just
wow.
Oh, yeah, one of them people there.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Humble beginnings.
The competition them I used to go on. We enter every one of them. Everything for just try to get myself up there.
Wow.
I was really a child. I did really hungry. And so over time is that I do that now and I realize really and truly I'm laid back. It's like some people just like on all the time, like them just present all the time. Me really and truly, me sit down and just like read a book. I'm a more nerd. So I only like click when we decide something to do a video. I say, all right, then a time for be an extroverted self. So I just read, so then I go through the social commentary. Come and say, really and truly, I look up to people like Winford Williams and Anthony Miller and journalism. I mean, I realize, how I can kind of mix the social media thing
with the entertainment.
Because really and truly, after the lane and them type of something there, like, oh, Ian Boy, they have one program that lasts like 30 years in profile. Countdown. But I love feet like years, about 6 years to go now. I mean, I love feet, you know, at some point in time it grew and developed. So I realize, I dare some kind of want to carry it. And so the skits, them, when I have that much of a passion for acting, but I love content. Now, may I try to think and say, yo, the same thing we described is basically like how we kind of collaborate in a more consistent way because all of us have superpowers. You get me?
Yes.
Yeah. That's what I mean. I try to say. Even when I look on like the tone up here, so when you break down Jamaican culture and really reinforce and remind and teach the next generation about certain things. Negus and me is like on the opinionated type of vlogging and commentary where even though Negus to the system and stuff, I mean one part where I'm going to be like opinion giver, you get me? In that space where there's a topical issue, him can present and give him 2 cents and break down. And that is like, oh, yeah, like,
opinions.
And then people there in the US and whatever, like, when doubling that, that's where it come from. And just imagine if we could have kind of create stuff like where the 200 brains could have go up here, so even dissecting like American culture.
Yeah. I was talking to Negus yesterday about the importance of Jamaican culture and collaborating and the fact that you just said we have superpowers. That's just amazing. You understand? We have that's amazing. The fact that we have and I'm thinking seriously about that we call it the co-worker type of thing, because I'm gonna plan it and see how we can have a little you understand, a little event where we try
office party.
Office party. Julie Mango, when did you decide that boy is a reflection of Jamaican culture? That's something I gotta do. Things how verse. When you decide that verse is gonna be your way, like this is how they do in America. This is how regular people choke. This is how Jamaican. And it's so true because we're extra. You bring out the extraness in all the way, and that's why when you realize that was the way you got the direction you were gonna go. You know from long time.
It just happened because the first one was when the whole Americans the praise and worship. It was a culture shock for me because me accustomed to my people them in the middle of the island at Kim Pupalik and thing and that was Kingston. Imagine country church. That was my TLC Transform Life Church in Kingston. A part where I keep.
Yes.
And when we drop our US now and people are, oh God is an awesome God. We pray heaven above. I remember myself a Dutty when we do that.
That's not like him do. Yes.
It was shocking for me, and I'm like, are these people really in the spirit? I'm like, okay, cool, all right, I dig it. And then I say, you know what? Let me just because somebody else did a skit on TikTok saying American praise and worship versus Jamaican praise and worship, and I said, let me reenact this skit.
Yes.
And then I reenacted it, and then Sparky Baby pick it up. Sparky Baby official and put on our thing, and then I saw it there.
That's somebody who support Jamaican content creators.
I have to figure out. True.
Yeah, man.
One thing I can say I admire with Julie Mango are, and unlike me, her content is very clean. and also relatable.
Yes.
Whenever you make relatable content, you cannot lose.
Yes.
Her content is like, wow, this is true.
Yes.
Like, you have no reason. You gotta be like, I've seen that before.
Are the facts?
I've seen that before.
Are the facts about that? Is the facts about
it's relatable. Like you've been through it or you've seen someone.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
All right, me head as well. Tap, you know, tap.
Yeah, man. That's
right. I think up, man. I think up, mama, for real. You see me?
It's very
and Dutty Berry, you know, 6 more years from the social media countdown, bro. You see me? Yeah, man.
It's something as to pick up on the Julie point. Your content is very what I call it. When I want to say white, it's like Ellen. You see, when I look at some, listen, we know where I go with it. I was looking at like a lot of black comedians and will have certain approaches. When I realized that I look at like Ellen, people talk about Ellen comedy, and I realize what she can do is like she will find something just as somebody going to drink water at the water cooler, and there's comedy in that. And for sometimes you want to focus on the war or the fight, but you realize because I listen to like some other comedians, and we might consider them to probably be like, oh, they're too clean and something, but they can find humor into just how people tie them shirt, like or how people put on them socks.
Thank
and
you. And Raúl does that.
The same way. Like even when the cut thing, it's like some little crevice. Or some simple things. Probably like how somebody or somebody out blow them nose. I did those. Relatable, something like that. And you're like, what? Where on the brain go to see something like, oh yeah, this is how white people wipe off sweat off of them head. But this is how like where the brain go like wow.
You know what?
Where the brain go?
You know what's funny? when I was doing that for a while, I'm realizing, boy, people ask me the same thing like how you get the detail, how you focus so much. And Yes, so that's it. When Julie came, I said, Jesus, I said, yes, somebody know, and me alone dancer. Somebody see it too. And there's a female. Somebody said, boy, you know, remember in the beginning, I said, boy, you're a female version of Raúl. I'm like, no, Julie is our entire one big person, one person. And that uniqueness will make it more relatable. You understand? At that respect, and Negus, you're a controversial person. You understand? Because you speak the truth. You understand? What yeah. Well, what is important of speaking the truth in comedy? What do you think comedy must be real and factual and controversial?
Listen, from the first time I've been introduced to comedy, I realized that comedians are truth speakers. You understand? Whether you know, a lot of them, it's mostly political, not so much religious, but I've seen a lot of political comedians, you know, talk about social things. And you know what I realize is they always kept it real, because them fine joke forgive you the real, lessen the blow. You understand what I say? So I think that I wouldn't say comedy is dying because people are they're fighting for, you know, comedy to remain what it is, because everybody want to be PC now. And we see the thing I get lame. Some of the TV shows get lame just because of PC culture. So
what is PC culture? Parental control?
No, politically correct. Yeah. So we the truth give comedy that edge to make it extra funny. Bro, when I see some of the things that people make jokes of, you have no choice but to laugh. And then
she'll be laughing.
And then it's like, wow, I feel bad to laugh at that.
Laugh same way. Yes.
So it's like when they keep it real, the thing more, it just more direct, and it just more honest, and it just more factual. It just come across even better.
And you know what? One thing I realize with comedians, the true comedians, whenever they do comedy, they don't mean to offend anybody. But there are some people, what I don't like, and I say this all the time on my page, I know see me go back and forth with them because I'm one and know me feel. I don't like the fact that people are taking what you're saying literally. If you want, if you can know when Raúl Blaze is doing an academic video from a comedy. If I say something, I said this is what Jamaicans do, and I say, well, me a Jamaican, I never do that. You lame.
Exactly.
You're lame. Duh. Of course, I know that not all Jamaicans do.
Exactly.
But the fact that I'm saying that all Jamaicans do this, which makes it a comedy. Comedy is about generalizing. You understand? What you have to, okay, can I raise my hand, sir? No, my grandmother. Just shut up. Just shut up and go follow somebody.
No, Raúl, when I did the Maxi Priest video, because you know Maxi Priest love flashy hair, so that's that video. Somebody commented and said Maxi Priest did not wear braids.
Wow! Wow! Are you real?
For real, somebody said
wow!
Boy, talking about not understanding the assignment. You understand? You never did class. You never did class. You never got school. You never passed grade 1. Barry, you see light there, so could I watch light, man? Watch a good life, that you know, it's a good life there. But Barry, one more I say to you, Barry, make sure say you see the platform where you create on a serious note. A lot of people get them life through Barry show. You understand? There are people I discovered on his countdown. And I'm glad to say we have somebody. You're a legend, you know. You're a legend, no. I don't know if you know, but you are a legend already. You are a legend. You start off something. You are the head. You start off something where you know people can aim towards. You understand? And if it's a different version, people say, "Boy, I want to be like a berry and thing," because you start in something. You step your foot in the water so people can jump in there. You water cool. You put people want to do it. So big up yourself, you know. We respect you so much. I just want to tell you that. May I say it right now? May I give you flowers like you're there? You understand?
Right now.
May I make you flowers them dead on the back? May I give you flowers right now? So big up yourself. You understand?
I have no flowers. I have soy sauce. We just order it off of Amazon.
Oh yeah, you soy sauce too.
After other things, Julie, because seem like things ever coming.
But all that things ever
coming. Julie posted to get her. What the show name again with the Asian people who play the game and they did that.
Squid game.
Squid game.
Okay.
When she said Squid game.
I have a costume.
Oh, yeah, you have a Squid game costume?
Like, 3 weeks after.
3 weeks because listen, I ordered that costume off of a site that had no English on it.
Okay. Okay, like
it wasn't available on Amazon, and Mr. Master, me just click something, and then Mrs. $70 come out and me account. Me say, well, it's in God's hands now.
You need raw help. Raúl speak must about 15,000 different languages.
It's only 6. You know, it's only 6. Boss man, we're gonna end at 7. Yeah, because we don't want to keep it too late. You understand? So I just want to
go Julie young, you know. She not go bed now, you know. Julie young, you know.
Julie, what? Okay, so maybe we can do for half an hour. But however, I want to take a break and thing, you know, come on get some water and thing. And for the people, I also want to read the comments. We feel like me now read. You understand the people? I'm gonna get serious here. Comedians save lives by allowing people to smile and get out of them head. Big up to all of them. Big up yourself, Lisa Amore. Lisa Amore, big up yourself. You understand to all the people out here on Instagram and on Facebook. Guys, we're now giving we're going just 15 minutes more because I'm gonna ask. People are asking for each other advice, like what I do for somebody who want to come up in what you guys do, and you know just give me a little message. Sorry, McLaren just come up. Message. And you know and thing when we come back. So guys, we're gonna be back here in about 2 minutes. I get some water because what. And Julia will get our soy sauce. Barry, I go finish in Christmas getting one. You guys get some water and things, you know.
Yes,
so guys, stay right there, guys. We'll be back right here.
The paper to pop the bubble.
All right. All right, let me see what going on. All right, we're back. Yes, you know that tune there? What's that big tune, that Julie?
A big tune.
Oh gosh, man, Whitney, boy. We're talking about the Mariah Carey song earlier on. Barry, what is her name again? All I want for Christmas. Yeah. So we got Mariah Carey because her song got
1 billion streams. That's
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yo, Mariah Carey is brilliant. Listen, that song they got #1 every year.
And then no, it is like a 1994. I don't people realize a song from 94 reached the top. And me not talk about Christmas chart. Me talk about the Billboard.
Yeah.
The Megan and the Cardi, then it passed. It's at #1.
Yep.
Yeah, son, and she has 19 songs at #1. So I think the Beatles is the only people who have 20. Because she passed Elvis Presley a few years back.
It's the people that must say what they are. Say yo, she and Beyonce if we go do her verses, and she's like, I'll be disrespecting myself if I did that.
Yes. What we love about her? She's shady. I love because she has
shady.
People love to put people in category. The only person in her league died. R.I.P.
Whitney.
Yeah, Whitney. Mariah's competition died, and that's just fact.
Yeah. She has more kids than she has more #1s than Whitney.
Yeah, she have more #1, but that's the closest person to her.
That is true.
That's here now, can you? So now, guys. Celine Dion. Celine have enough hits now, but she have as many #1, but she sold a lot of songs. Kind of Jamaica when you grow up
on the live. The live night when Celine start building them nose.
Because Mariah's voice is good.
Mariah don't have the voice anymore.
Yeah, because she did the whistle register for too long. Yeah, but Celine is still singing at that level.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Talking about singing, guys. So apart from the last question, I'm gonna ask you guys. More of asking, do you guys have any hidden talent that no one knows about that you haven't shared on social media? Julie, may I start with you? You haven't anybody know about?
I can play the Congo drum.
Oh, you can? Okay. So when are you? Yeah, that is good. When you're gonna give a little taste of that? Are you don't want to tell us yet?
No, I don't know when I'll do it because me try to do it in our video and it sounds funny. Me have to get a proper microphone. I'm just set that drum.
Okay. And someone said Celine is the truth. Big up Andre Whitehead. You understand? In that picture, your head look white too. And big up Voices in Education, Celine. I went to school. That's my schoolmate right there. You understand? I mean, the picture look Whitehead. Yeah. Celine Dion.
You went to school with Celine.
No, not Celine. Think back before you leave. Singing is not my talent. You understand? Yeah.
What about backup sing? Me's a good backup singer.
Yeah, good backup singer. But you can't sing. But you can't sing though.
Yes, backup. Me's not a lead singer. My voice will finish.
Oh, if I...
No, sometimes I sing and go and my voice just finished. I say, oh, that's right there. All right.
Done. Your voice done. Your voice done. Beyonce not on Mariah level at all. The person who
disrespectful.
I agree.
You know, it's crazy sex to pull me shag on with their things though.
I agree.
I go with their things.
I bet things shag on from morning, man. Betting. We want to hear you play the drums, Julie. On yes. On my Instagram. They said they want to hear Julie play the drums. So
yeah.
Can see her, by the way.
I have no drum. I'll do a video.
You have it now?
No, I don't have no drum. I have to sell it back.
Okay, for real. Okay. Julie, I have a question. It might sound very, very big now because I'm answer, but Julie, ultimately, Julie, which part, Julie, where you want to take your thing, go, Julie? What level you want to take it, go? What you want to do?
I want to do acting full time. That's it.
Okay. Do you write? Do you write? Do you write like? Would you write like plays or stuff?
Yes, I have a script for the Julie Mango show coming next year, March. So make sure you subscribe.
Okay,
First
nice.
Plus for the Julie Mango show.
It's gonna be on your YouTube channel.
No, it's gonna be exclusively on First in Line Plus, a streaming platform in Jamaica.
Oh, nice. I love it. When him again? The first what?
First in Line Plus.
Okay.
That's and normally put on the productions and you like a Netflix type of thing, and you go on the website and you check out. Yeah.
Oh, that's big. That's big.
Okay, that's nice. And what else you have coming up, Julie, that you want people to know about and we can support and things? That's
the tournament that you're going to be participating.
Yo, I'm serious about it, guys.
Yo, listen, y'all gotta fly in. Y'all gotta fly in. Y'all gotta fly in.
Remind me. Don't miss it. Don't forget about Julie. Don't not forget.
And I'll say this to you now.
Yes.
Don't make 1 week pass and not trademark that.
For real.
That is the tournament?
Yes. Because somebody might hear you and say,
yes. Yes. Right now.
Yes, I'm gonna do it. Okay. So Julie, we can't wait for that because I can just imagine just doing popcorn. I'll listen to Julie.
Yeah.
What about you, Barry? What you have? Can you know say we know your brain work, what you have next coming up on the,
I mean, at this point in time, I'm just really trying to figure if I still want to be in the space, honestly. But I know I'm going to, the way I'm operating in the space is going to change because I have more of a desire to go behind the scenes. And so it's something I may listen to. I have a growing desire to go behind the scenes and probably help to support somebody who I feel probably, is not very ish. Or want to pursue something like that. But next year is the year, as Maria mentioned, about collaborating because I'm posting I posted a Santa Claus video the other day, like a really random video that I did. And it made me remember that, when you just start out, that hunger that you have for team up with people and really, and you get physical, because most of the times as creatives, we have ideas, but sadly we need people to make things come to life.
Yes.
So the reason why most of us have to act out to own things is because are we alone in our living room?
Yes.
And also not just random person where you can go to your mother and force them to say this are your cousin, but actually people who care about the space and talented as well, and to kind of lift the execution of your ideas. And so me, like for next year, is to really figure out that I also do have a little show. A little show starting. And it's more going to be like a profile, but profile for content creators, like creatives. Because
just tell me where to find him dead there.
Nice. So I wanted that space to kind of see what that is like. And so that is going to be out probably early 2022.
I love it.
Move.
Love it. Negus.
Yes, sir.
What you have? By the way, Negus, the photo shoot today, so.
Yes. I don't have any hidden talents. I put it all on the internet. I'm trying to reach somewhere. I don't have no hidden talents.
And can you use a lot of them? We see a lot of them. What you plan? What's up for you next year? What you plan for?
Plans. Plans. Well, basically, as we spoke about the EP, I have that working on. I have the Uptown series. It's already written, but I just need to reshoot it. I didn't like the energy how it came out the first time, so I got to reshoot.
You said Julie and Raúl. That's the talk, you know, me I talk about. When they are foreign, when put on the little tube side,
Negus can do it. Negus, because we earlier talk about they are foreign, we can't change. But Negus can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Do it. Continue talking that foreign.
But yeah, as I was saying, man, you understand me, bruv. It's very it's at the time I got a lot of stuff coming out next year. You know what I'm saying? I got the series.
Oh, I Ed Sheeran this.
I got the Uptown series. I work on the Uptown series, the EP.
Okay.
And then as I told you, I'm bringing, because my page gone.
Yes.
I'm bringing back the classics like the Bunty's Diary, the Mr. Chin, and also I've been thinking about doing something with Ellie, like probably call it like Ellie's Journal, something like Bunty's Diary, but with an elephant man twist. You see me? Oh, and I got something called Killer's Court coming up too.
Ooh.
Yeah, Killer's Court, Bunty Killer's Court.
Okay.
No love for Beanie Man. Wow. Bye.
No, is personality is Bunty personality. Julie, and you're pretty. Julie, you and Pretty V with a mashup foreign. Who's Pretty V again? Oh,
Pretty V, the Yankee.
Yeah, come out. What are you going to come? Marva, she's a
Noir.
She have Jamaican descent. She just like the culture.
Yeah, I think she loves the culture.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I think she loves the culture. Okay, know the one of them.
Probably our family or something like she have them in our family, like what if Jamaicans in our family.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's her. That's her. I'm talking about. Yeah, Pretty V. And the last question I have for you guys, because I'm so glad you guys took your time out to stay here and chat to me. So Julie, the question I have for most people, what advice would you give for someone? You know, in every interview, they always end with this question. I used to think it was cliche, but it's not cliche, because there are actually people who look up. There are people who look up to us, and me can't imagine that people look up to me, but people look up. People look.
You can't imagine people look up to you.
No,
you're tall. Look up to me.
Yeah. And I'm almost.
You set up for the one there.
I just get it.
Yes. So Julie, why that? Because and the thing is, you can't do something generic. But what advice would I give? You understand, based on your experience, to anybody who enter the space?
The creative space, the first thing is whatever is in your head, that's what you must put out there. Don't think that don't try to copy anybody, and at the same time, because you are doing something that no one else is doing, don't think that you shouldn't do it. For me personally, I know that not everyone is a Christian, but I pray about everything. And when I get worried, because you know the creative space, sometimes you'll feel like you're a hamster on a wheel. You can get tired.
Yes.
Your mental health can get burnt out. So
yes.
I pray and I ask God to guide me and tell me when I should rest back a little, when I should shut down, what I should put out there, and just be true to yourself. Literally, just be true to yourself and have a good relationship with other content creators. You know, have a good rapport with other content creators, and just put your stuff out there. Don't get discouraged when you get like if you put something out and you don't get much views. Well, to tell the truth, when I put something out and I don't get much views, I put it back on I put it on private and go hide, cry, and then come back again. So really and truly, yes,
I turn off the comment section.
No, me not turn off comment section ever, but me just hide video or archive it or private it, right? Like if me put out some and in an hour it not have a certain amount, me just hide it. And then one side go cry and then me come back again. So really and truly, just don't give up. Don't give up. Just know when you just rally back a little bit and lick your wounds and then come back out and do what you need to do.
And you touch on something, Julie, and this is something you and I have spoken about in the space, and that's mental health, right? How important you think it is for people like us to show that, you know, not wrong if it's from depression or anxiety, nothing is wrong with that. How important do you think as influencers to let people know that it's okay, it's a normal thing people talk about? How important is that
It is paramount. It is of paramount importance because we walk around, so many people walk around with a facade of everything being okay. No, I'm not saying that nobody is happy. Of course, we all have our happy moments. And you do have people who are not prone to depression or prone to having a mental health issue. But then you have those who suffer quietly. And so as influencers, and because we are out there and everybody are here through mouth, it is of paramount importance. It's almost would be a sin to not talk about it, to let people know that it is okay if you're not okay. And not just that, but you can get treatment, and nothing wrong if you go on treatment and you backslide and you have to do again and you backslide and you come again. Nothing wrong with that. That's just so healing is not like an airplane taking off. It's like a baby learning to walk. They get up, they fall down, they get up, they fall down. So yeah.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that. Yeah, thank you for that. Wow. Let me go to you, Barry. What advice would you give to people, and what is important of keeping your own mental space, not taking some time for your own mental health, and so how important is that?
I'll touch on the mental health part of the question first. Julie explained it quite well. Remember, we're in the business of likes, comments, shares, and these things. And even though you're supposed to know your worth, a part of worth value is attached to it because it's also his business. So if you put out a product, you kind of want it to come off of the shelf in a particular way. And if you have a certain standard, you know, 1 month 2, I get 200 I sell, and then by month 3, you're gone back down to 10. You get me? You're gonna wonder, what did I do? Do I need to be different? You know. And so most of the time, especially as establishing yourself as content creators, you will try to do what everyone else is doing before you really find your footing. And as I said, when I started out, I did everything. I did do parodies, I did skits, I did social, I did everything, and trying to say like what would kind of connect. And at some point in time, it really hit me that, you see, as a creator, your best gift and your superpower is just being uniquely you, because all of your experiences, when you never recognize it, we're preparing you to give your content with a particular purpose and perspective. So when I look at it, and for a long time before I found out the whole box cover test and thing, I was just thinking, I just want to look a nerd in my yard. When I realized I would stay home, come home, I work the whole entire time and don't go outside, and appear TV me I watch. BET, MTV, pop culture, everything. Me I read news, JIS. So I end up on so many different things. So when I'm in the space now where it's content, it feels like I've been doing this for years. I'm never gonna carry back. It's just because I realized that was my training. So me talking and being inspired by Miss Louise, all of these different things. Just like Negus, I don't even know, but I'm sure it's experiences when probably grew up, I would listen to people like Chappelle and certain people with impressions and certain things. I realized that all of that informed you and culture, just the Jamaican culture. You, somebody who had to carry the Jamaican culture, go abroad, you know, go over into Asia, and that pride, it comes out into your content. So you realize that is what I said. When you're starting out, it might take you a little while to find your footing. But remember that all of your experiences and the totality of that will make you be a unique content creator. And that is what you need to lean into, not what everybody else is doing. What is your own superpower? The mental health part, talk to other creatives as well. I think Julie reached out to me one time, make one little post, and it wasn't like, oh, we need to jump off our building, but she's just spotted. You get me?
Yeah, man. Up in a people business like Negus, if you put out something suspect, I'd come in your DMs.
It was something that I appreciated, because, as I said, probably most people would have just like passed, just like that. But somebody who's also a content creator, them can tell, say, boy, you know, when I look down this, they will probably feel. And she said something, and in my mind, I'm like, why? Don't I just fling all of my problem? I'm gonna mention this. But I appreciate it, and you get it when you talk to other content creators. Because most of us are trying to get to the next level, and it's hard, it's difficult. I mean, I would not have the big money like the one them where the little girl name again, she up and dancing with something the other day, and TikTok star and the 8-year-old have YouTuber look on.
And KB Lame too.
So we're a small community, and
Charlie D'Amelio.
We're a small community, so we really need to develop that that support system where we realize that, yo, we're all going through this thing together, and we can get strength by talking to our peers.
Wow, wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. Negus, same to you. Any advice for our people, and how do you take a break from it and say, yo, I have to do my clarity first and come back. How do you deal with that, and how do you advise people?
First of all, if you're gonna create content or you're considering creating content, just start. Start. Wow. The best way I learn is by trial and error. I took a lot of L's, you know. Yes. I took a lot of L's, you know. Same thing with Julie said, you know, if you don't go up in a hat, yeah, take it down and zoom in. The video not hot, but the reception hot, but not too pretty, you know. Just start. Don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to them, because as I said yesterday, like, a lot of people don't have the confidence to do what you want to do. So they're going to project, you know what I mean? And try to instill you with the fear that they have, the fear that they're harboring. So you can be just as stagnant as them. You understand what I say? So I don't listen to nobody. I take advice, even from people who are not living like me. I take advice from anybody. You can learn from anybody.
True.
People who not the same thing as you can learn from them. So anybody who tells you, oh, you know how to do this, so you can't tell me nothing. That's rubbish. So start. Don't listen to the naysayers. Learn how to take constructive criticism, because that aids in your growth.
Agreed.
Get your feelings out of it and learn to take constructive criticism. Now, when it comes to mental health, just turn your phone off. Whenever it comes, whenever it gets to us, turn your phone off. That's it. Yes. You know, there's been days I just turn off my phone, just turn it off. When I go up on Instagram, I don't go on nothing.
Yeah.
I probably take a week for myself. It hurts your page, but it helps me.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And me more important on my Instagram page, because you're gonna have a lot of people that try to destroy you in the comments, and this is where your confidence comes in. Okay.
Yes.
Once you show these people that their words have no effects on you, they're wasting their time entertaining you. I'm entertained by the hate because you have nothing going on in your life. You're here on my page, so it's how you look at it. I clown you for giving me the time of day. I will go back and forth with you. That helped my mental health too, because I was more depressed when I didn't say anything.
But no,
I cleared the air.
And also, remember Spice said, I'm not too big to talk about it. I'm not me.
Exactly. Anytime anybody say, yo, you need to be the bigger person. I cannot. I am 5'6". It is impossible. Goo goo gaga. You understand?
For real.
So man. You just, and if you can, if you don't do the back and forth thing, just turn your phone off. Just turn it off.
Yes, guys. So if you're here, guys, I hope you guys taking some of this gem down. For me personally, I think what my advice would be to people is to be a combination of all of what you said. If you want to start create. Because I think I was talking to Negus yesterday, and we talk about how people want to be the next so and so. No, be you. Be the first Raúl. You understand? Be the first Julie. Be the first. Your idea might sound weird to you, but trust me, there are people out there who have your sense of humor.
Yes.
You understand? There's a niche for your sense of humor. So if you think, first of all, if you think what you're doing is worthy of creating content, try it. And like Dr. Berry, try many things, and when you find out one work. And nothing is wrong with changing. If you realize this is your path, go your path. Because one thing about us, we have many talents. And Negus have a preacher's voice. Both go on TV. Yes, he does have a Negus voice. If you're a small person, his voice is bigger than he is by far. You understand? So I would say if you try something and don't work, nothing wrong for try something else. Try many things, and when it stick. And with your mental health, same thing, combination.
Yes.
Lock off your phone. Go take a walk, Sometimes people always say, boy, why you always walking every day? Last year when my videos was about my big headphones and those go viral, people say I was a walk. Because that's my thing. People don't realize that when me a walk, go to the gym, me I prepare for the gym and me just clear my mind because guess what? Me want to reach a gym, me now focus on the body. You understand?
Yeah.
And that the workout, my physical part of my life helps my mental health because when I'm in the gym, me not see nobody.
Facts.
Me lock off my music. When me have my headphone, me can't. Me go back home because when my earphone dead now, me go back on my yard.
It doesn't hit the same.
You understand? Why are you talking?
Yeah.
Why are you at the gym if you want to talk? Hey man, no.
Yeah.
Want workout, you understand?
Yeah.
If you want to say, what's up, bro, long time I don't see you, you know, but me no want to talk. So two things. If you have a plan, work on your plan, try different methods, and then nothing is wrong with taking some time for yourself. Be selfish with yourself. Be selfish.
Be selfish.
Be selfish with yourself.
When people hear selfish, they think, oh, you're such a wicked person.
Negative. Selfish is not a negative word. Yeah, it's not negative. Selfish means that because as people, content creators, we always are giving up.
Always.
We always giving.
Who's giving to us?
Nobody not give away. Nobody not give
away. Give so much when you come back, you feel empty.
You're like
one drain out battery.
What?
On some of my worst days, people say, yo, dog, your body no bro. And I'm like,
I'm tired. Yeah. So it's okay. Lock off your phone, go for your walk, go to the gym, take yourself, and if you can, like yesterday now, I had the lady from Mr. Marine Hall giving away she gave away the hotel, right?
Okay.
And I was saying that even though someone wanted it, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna link up and I said, boy, I can give me a hotel stay for 2 days because you need it.
Yeah.
You need it for pampered, and guess it's when you come back from that and start create again, it's a different situation.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Yeah, man. So guys, I want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank all the people who made it possible. Listen to me, man. We love all of you guys. The fact that you are listening right now, watching, if it weren't for you guys, we wouldn't be where we are now. But we also need your help to continue to climb. So thanks for listening. I'm going to big up everybody. I know people are on the chat room here. I know people are on the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Instagram, right? Spotify, Rocket, wherever you are. Big up Julie fans and big up Berry fans and big up my fans and big up who I miss out now. Nick. Yeah. And big up all the people because in summer we have people who follow all 4 of us. So big up to our common fans and big up to you.
Yeah, and you guys have a picture together.
Yesterday, yeah, you know see it.
Oh, we need to see, man, because you come there one. No, but I want to, I know me would do it, you know.
You never see Negus in real life? You ever see Berry in real life? Yeah. Okay, so I'm the only one.
Never take a picture side of all.
Yeah. In the want to picture side of me either.
I say, well, you can't
yeah. We don't want to picture side of now. The people think
and at least you're taller than Julie, so you're good.
Yeah.
You're taller than Julie. Julie,
like 5'3",
5'2".
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, Shakira. You want Shakira and Britney Spears, I say him. Shakira is 5'2".
I think around the same too.
And who can be Lady Gaga is only 5'1". Yeah. And Ariana Grande. Yeah.
When we got Jamaica, the number 1 comment was, "But you're shorty."
And me get the opposite one, Lord, I must say. You know, so me see what they but me never come over to you because me never know say I say it all in real life. But I don't understand.
I understand how people guess the card because it's like how weird.
Because
what they expect that some people taller, but then they expect it to be too tall. It's like they must expect it to be a particular.
In their mind. Yes. In their mind. Yes, guys. So I want to big up to everybody who took great show. Thank you. Who took some time out where they are Missouri or Kingston, Jamaica, or there in Florida. Big up for all of them for coming through, and blessed today because this was my Christmas present to all of the people. Next year, we might get to look at the and the thing. We don't say nothing. We don't have things next year, but for now, you get, we lock down the space there with 4 are the best in the industry right here. So big up on yourself and thanks for being on the Raw Blaze show. All right, I want to play something. I'm taking out with something. What am I playing? What kind of music me have?
General Trees, minivan people control Jamaica.
What?
General Trees, minivan people control Jamaica.
Listen to me now, man. Let me just find something to play one throwback here, man. Let me try one dancehall 90s song where to play something, right? Let me see what me ever seen.
No interview by Bounty Killer.
Play what?
No interview.
Okay. Play something better. Play
run the track, youth. No interview by Killer Youth. Run it.
Hey,
I want
to them. Let me see. This. Oh, okay. Well, on there, all right.
Poor people fed up.